Look around your home. You will immediately find that electricity is very important to us. The lamps, air conditioner, hi-fi, microwave oven, and many other appliances in your home only work when an electric current flows through them. What is an electric current? Why can it flow in an electric wire? Like all other materials, an electric wire is made up of millions and millions of atoms. Each of them consists of a positively charged nucleus. Surrounding the nucleus are many tiny negatively charged electrons. Sometimes, electrons can escape from an atom and move freely around. These electrons are called free electrons. For easy observation, we use purple color to represent free electrons. However, free electrons are no different from ordinary electrons. When the electric wire is not connected to a voltage source, the free electrons move in different directions randomly. However, when a voltage is applied, the free electrons are pushed through the wire towards the positive terminal of the voltage source. This flow of free electrons is called an electric current. When free electrons move through the wire, they may collide with the atoms or other free electrons. This resists the flow of free electrons. We call this resistance. As a result of collisions, heat is produced and causes the electric wire to heat up. This is called heating effect of electric current.